So today we're going to look into the new Abacus app builder, which sounds pretty crazy. So Abacus is the AI-powered app building platform that lets you create applications by describing what you want in like natural language. So instead of starting from scratch and writing everything manually, you can tell the AI what kind of app you want, and it helps turn that idea into a working product. And this is where the things get starts crazy, because one of the biggest features is the AI powered app creation. So you can describe your idea in plain English, and Abacus can generate the structure and functionality for you. You can also like modify your app using natural language instructions. Instead of like digging through complicated code, you can simply tell it what you want changed. That's it. Another major advantage is that the ability to build apps much faster. So like interfaces, features, databases, things like these, and other components can be created with AI assistance, making the whole development process much more accessible. So if you go to the official Abacus website here, you can actually start using this app builder by describing your things, and you can simply get to it by click on the getting started. If you want to, you also have subscription packages here. You can also access that if you are willing to pay for it and stuff. And it can like for the initial version, Abacus can generate for initial version, but to continue use it, you go to like improve, and you have to subscribe for it. So it's actually pretty crazy because you don't know how much it lowers the barriers to building software. So you can go from an idea to a functional application without spending hours writing everything from scratch. So that's why it's pretty crazy, and it's pretty something that you can really try out for, especially for people who are not really into coding, and if you're not really a techie person.